Classic Caillou, when you will learn that doing cigarettes in McDonald's is disrespectful. Oh, Caillou, I learned my lesson for 2 weeks already. Now, shut up! Classic Caillou, make a smart choice. I don't know whatever the fuck you're thinking, but you should stop thinking about it. I know. You know what? Since we are going to school, I'm gonna pull the fire alarm, since the lever is in the classroom. Oh, Classic Caillou, are you stupid? That's a bad idea. You can get grounded and Miss Green can get you expelled and you will go to jail for 2 months. My plans work. Asshole. Now stop crying and let's go eat. We're eating oats and shit. Wah. Can a day can be worse than this stupid meal, just like the job meal Kahoot women got? Just kidding, it's waffles. Waffle is a good snack to practice my fire alarm ideas. God damn it! I don't understand! Why do you have a stupid brain? My brain is not stupid. Damn!
Son, we are eating sandwiches.
But it's supposed to be waffles.
Oh my gosh! We talked about this yesterday. No waffles for you.
Fine. Wait! Why am I a floating head? Anyway.
Class, any questions?
Yes! Why is there a stop begging your mom for a boo poster?
It's for Rosie the stupid one.
Wah! I'm tired.
Anyways, I'm giving you your Chromebook so we can play Kahoot. Here is your laptop, Caillou.
Thank you! Okay, the game is starting.
What's 9 plus 10? A21 B19.
What's 9 plus 10? How the fuck did I get it wrong? Yay. It's not fair!
What Windows is this? Windows 7 or Windows 8?
It's Windows 8. No, it's Windows 7.
Caillou was thinking of lying to Classic Caillou that it's Windows 7 and it's Windows 8.
Okay, it's Windows 7. What? I don't understand. How is it wrong? I lied. It's Windows 8. Wah.
5 minutes later.
Okay, it's the last round. Did you learn about A equals 2.718? You're lucky I can help you. Leave me alone. It's 2,921. I think it's 718. What? You really think that 718 is the answer? No, it's 2,921. Stupid! I'm gonna pull the fire alarm. Wah! The school have to leave.
We are going back home.
Yay.
Not you, Classic Caillou. You are expelled from Grounded High.
Wah!